This video will demonstrate how you install a wall mount for a Dyson Micro vacuum. In this case, I'll start off by using the holes from a Dyson V7 vacuum, or any recent Dyson will be fine. First thing you want to do is remove the screws so you can remove the existing wall mount. You can't use the old one because the battery and charger placement is different. Note that the hardware is included, so you can reuse the old hardware or use the new hardware from your Micro. Here I'm using the existing holes with the new wall mount. Note that you may not be able to use the new screws, as some of the screws are longer than the hardware you use. If the screws work, then just put them in, no problem. Otherwise, you could remove the old mounting hardware from the wall, use the existing holes with the new inserts. Now is the cord setup. It has to be wound through the back of the wall plate in a kind of confusing fashion. You need to snake it through and then click this piece down. It'll click firmly, you'll know it's working because it'll be stable. Now attach the wall plate to the wall using existing holes. Do not over tighten the screws, you can crack the wall mount. Click this piece into place and you'll basically be set. You'll know it worked if the Dyson is stable on the wall and the vacuum is charging.